Hi guys, this is the story of Timmy Tiger and Honey Horse. And we're ready to begin. It was a crisp winter afternoon, and Honey Horse was feeling fit and frisky. There goes Honey Horse. She was prancing around in the meadow when she decided to go to the zoo to visit her friend, Timothy Tiger. Honey trotted down the path to the zoo. Here it goes. What is the sound that Honey makes when Honey runs?
I know.
You know? What does Honey Horse say? Yep, that is the sound that Honey Horse makes. What's the sound? Huh. All right. When Honey reached the zoo, she trotted up the hill, around the bend to the tiger cages. Up ahead, she saw her friend, Timmy Tiger, standing at the door of his cage. And he was standing at the doors, shaking the bars with both hands. He was going tch, 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 trying to open up his cage. What sound does Timmy Tiger make when he's opening his cage? He's trying to open his cage. What does he say? Tch, 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 tch. And Timmy seemed very excited about something. So Honey said, "What's up, Timmy?" And Timmy said, "Do you want to play?" "Yes," said Timmy, "I want to play. And I want to play outside." Honey glanced at the door of the cage and noticed that the zookeeper had left the zoo key in the lock. So that's what Timmy Tiger was excited about. "Turn the key, Honey, and that will open the door," said Timmy as he shook the bars. Tch, tch, tch. "Okay," said Honey, "I'll try my best." Okay, oh my goodness, apparently we're joining my party here with my filming. Callie, gotta sit nicely, okay? "Turn the key, Honey, and that will open the door," as Timmy shook the bars. Tch, tch, tch. "Okay, I'll try my best." Honey used her teeth to grab a hold of the key. Slowly she turned until finally, hooray, the door opened. "Yippee!" said Timmy. "Whee!" said Honey. But in her excitement, Honey Horse was prancing around and bumped her bottom. So she bumped her butt right onto the to the door of the cage and boop! Oh no! The cage door started to close, and she didn't even notice, but the door slammed, went boom, right on Timmy Tiger's thumb. Oh no, her thumb was stuck in the door. Oh dear, poor Timmy. So Timmy Tiger says, "Honey Horse, my thumb." "What's the matter?" said Honey Horse. "My thumb. You moved the door and it banged on my thumb." "My poor thumb. My thumb." Point to your thumb and say th. "I'm so sorry," said Honey Horse. "Oh, and now the door is locked." Both animals are sad. "Well, let's read a book or play a quiet game, Honey." "Okay, that sounds like fun. And maybe a whole lot safer," said Honey. So Timmy Tiger and Honey Horse enjoyed an afternoon of talking and reading books. But whenever they get together, what do they say? Because of the one time that the gate slammed on Timmy's thumb. So when you see Timmy Tiger and Honey Horse together, you need to say what? Show me your thumb. Say thumb. Thumb. Bye guys. See you later.